Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the Nordstrom anniversary sale, specifically home decor edition. So Nordstrom released a preview of everything that's going to be on sale during the anniversary sale. I put together a list of all my favorite finds from home decor, kitchen, appliances, gadgets, everything for the home. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with the Nordstrom anniversary sale, it's so different from any other sale from any other retailer. Basically, it's a preview of all new items that are going to be coming out in the fall, and they put them on sale ahead of time. Everything at Nordstrom is on sale. I like to shop a lot of fashion during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but this year we're going to be specifically focusing on the home because I feel like it really gets overlooked during the sale, and I think there's a lot of great finds. And honestly, it's not too early to start thinking about holiday shopping if you want to get any present early in advance while things are super on sale right now. So for reference, the anniversary sale starts on July 6th for early access for icon status card members, July 7th for ambassador status, July 9th for influencer status, and then it goes open to everyone in the public on July 15th. So getting into my first recommendation, and I basically picked anything that I would like to add in my home myself or gift to somebody else. The first is the Sag Electric Kettle. It is originally $189, and then during the sale you can get it for $140.99. It comes in black and white. I think this is such a gorgeous kettle that can be very decorative as well, something you could keep on display on your kitchen counter. You don't have to worry about hiding your appliances. I love appliances that look like decor, and I think this is gorgeous if you happen to need a new tea kettle or you just want one in general. I personally just want one for the aesthetics, and maybe I'll become a tea drinker if I do get it. But I have seen this in so many like that girl vlogs on TikTok and morning routine videos that I have been definitely eyeing this as well. I just love the modern look of it, and I think it is a perfect gift for any holiday, birthday. We're still in wedding season, so a lot of these items can be wedding gifts as well. So that is my first pick. So next, this is also an amazing gift idea for somebody in your life, or of course for yourself. I love having my own home garden, and if you want something really low maintenance, you could just do a countertop version of growing your own herbs. And this is the Smart Garden 3 self-watering indoor garden. So it's 3 herb plants. I believe they sell refills of any kind of herbs that you would want, but it comes with basil specifically. And it comes in 3 colors too, white, beige, and black. So it can match different kitchen styles if you want to just keep it on your kitchen counter. So it's originally $99.95 and it's on sale for $79.99. So I feel like this is such a cool little kitchen project. We're getting into fall soon, and I feel like you can get ahead of the fall gloomy weather by bringing the outdoors in, having kind of like that summer feeling inside your kitchen, keeping that going all year round. So this is definitely a little bit more of a kitchen luxury, something a little bit more niche, something maybe you might not use all the time, but you could get yourself to use, and you could become somebody who makes your own pesto and things like that. So I know if I got this, I would try to make the most of it, and I think it's a really cool gadget. So next I do have one more kitchen item, and this is the at-home round marble and wood serving bowl. It is originally $59 and it's on sale for $39.90. I love a cheese board, I love a charcuterie board, I love any kind of wood platter for my kitchen, for decor, for making any kind of arrangements, for snacks, pizza rolls, anything would look great on this platter. If you love to host parties, this is a great addition to your home. If you love to eat snacks, this is a great addition to your home, and it also comes in 2 different colors. So I think that this board is beautiful and a great price point as well, and also another thing that could be decorative that you can keep in your kitchen at all times. Okay, so next, this is a product I've actually been eyeing for honestly almost a decade, so I should go ahead and buy it at this point. It is the Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Throw Blanket. Everybody recommends these every year at the anniversary sale. Everybody always has these in their holiday gift guide videos, and I have been eyeing them forever. So I think I really need to get one at this point. point, and it's originally $147. It is on sale for $97.90, so that is about a third of the price off during the sale. And it also comes in about a dozen different colors. This is a great buy to get right before we get into fall. I know we're only in July, but time is flying. September's gonna be here next week. And I wanna get ahead of the chillier weather and get one of these blankets. I think they look so cozy, and I am always wrapped up in a blanket. Like, I sit in this chair to work all day and I'm always wrapped in a blanket. So I think I'm finally gonna get one of these, and I love that there's so many different colors available. They also have another version that is pattern with like leopard print and stuff, so definitely check them out because there's so many items on sale from Barefoot Dreams. So getting into some home fragrances, this is actually a product that I have in my home and I absolutely love. This is the Pura Smart Diffuser. I was gifted this for my birthday last year. I have one in my room and it is so amazing. Basically, it's an upgraded version of like a Glade plug-in. It's pricier too, but it's so worth it. You get an app on your phone. You could program the diffuser to, I set mine to go off about 10 minutes before my alarm goes off in the morning and around the time I go to sleep. That way I wake up to the smell of like vanilla, kind of like coffee. And at nighttime I have like more of like an herby scent. These are awesome. It's a great gift. It's a great thing to have in your home. So I love that you can program the scents to any time of day, and it also has a light that you can program as well in case you want a night light in your room. And this diffuser, it's originally $92. It's on sale for $64.99. So that is a really great price drop for the sale, and it comes with 2 fragrances. Once you go through those fragrances, you could just go to the Pura website or Amazon and get refills, get seasonal scents and everything. So you can keep the diffuser all year round and then just get whatever fragrances you need as soon as you use them up. It's super convenient, easy to use, and if you've been eyeing it, now's your chance to get it on sale. Also, there's so many different candle sets on sale. I specifically wanted to point out this one from Voluspa. It is a mini candle set that is originally $84 and it's on sale for $55.99. I was looking at this set specifically because I use these little mini candles to put in my bathtub tray whenever I take a bath, and I'll light like 2 or 3 of these candles in different scents just because I like the ambiance and having as many candles as possible. And I have been running through my mini candles, so I definitely need a restock. They also have a few other sets on sale as well, and I love the scents of these candles. They last a really long time too, and they come in a variety of scents, so definitely check those out. And then lastly, there are so many great bedding and bath options that are on sale during the anniversary sale. I'll link a few different options below, but the one that stood out to me the most was this bedding set that is linen. I am so obsessed with linens right now. I'm looking at my linen curtains behind me. I have a linen bedding set in my bedroom, and I think that this one was a really great price. There's 2 different colors, a gray and a beige, so kind of neutral shades. This is the linen duvet cover and sham set. The brand is Nordstrom. It's originally $199 to $229, and it is going to be on sale for $149.90 to $172.90. So if you're looking for some new bedding, this is a really great option, a really great value for a linen set. Linen tends to be a lot pricier for bedding compared to just regular cotton or satin. So a great chance to upgrade to a linen bedding set, and I'll link some other bedding options below too. All right, so those are all of my favorite home decor items that are gonna be on sale during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Let me know which ones were your favorites in the comments below. I'll have all the items listed below along with all of the dates. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.